everyone, and welcome to our 2020 car or cash raffle for the Children's Museum of New Hampshire. Today we're here at Port City Nissan, and we are getting ready to draw the winning name. So first of all, I'd like to thank everyone who purchased a ticket this year. It's been a really difficult year for everyone. COVID has knocked us all for a loop. The museum has been closed since mid-March, and every year we say that this is an important fundraiser, but this year we mean it more than ever. We're excited. We'll be reopening the museum later next week. So please look for information on our website about the museum's reopening at www.childrens-museum.org. And before we begin, I'd just like to everybody to look your choice for the raffle today. If you are the winner, you can choose between this beautiful Nissan 370Z Sport Coupe or this 100% electric Nissan Leaf. Or $20,000 in cash. So in just a moment, the winner will be drawn from that bin, and they will get to choose from one of these three awesome prizes. Before we pull the winner, I'd just like to thank all of our sponsors for the event. We have WGIR, Rock 101, 96.7 News Radio, Z107.1, the Manchester Boston Regional Airport, and of course, most of all, our friends here at Port City Nissan in Portsmouth. Woo!
Port City Nissan!
Our socially distant drawing is about to begin. So, take it away. Van from Port City Nissan is going to choose our winner.
Here we go. Here we go, man.
Go! Look up, look.
We got Paul C. from Dover. Congratulations, you are our lucky winner.
All right, so congratulations, Paul C. You'll be receiving a call from us shortly. If you're not watching this video right now. But once again, thanks to all of you who supported the Children's Museum and the 2020 Car Cash Raffle. We truly appreciate your support. It's going to make a difference and really help us weather the storm that is COVID. And thanks again to everyone. See you at the museum soon.